I used to do all my videos without a light, and I just relied on whatever light I had in my house. And honestly, living here in Ohio, that was the worst, especially in the fall and the winter. I always avoided the ring light because I hated how the rings would show up in my glasses. And I found this Alix and Earle light, and it has been a game changer. Let me show you the difference. I will never do videos without good lighting again, because let me show you the difference good lighting makes. Look at that. Isn't that insane? The difference in the lighting, and I'm just clipping it to the top of my phone. And let me show you the different settings. Isn't this crazy? You can do whatever one you love. Look at that. Huge difference. When you are doing your videos, make sure you have amazing lighting, because it's going to be a huge difference in your videos. I'm going to link it below because this Alix and Earle light runs out really, really quick. So you don't want to miss this, and you want to start using lighting, good lighting, when you are doing your videos. It makes a huge difference.